Life is busy. We juggle work, family, and responsibilities. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. We forget to care for ourselves. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. We need time to recharge. This allows us to show up fully for ourselves and for others. We push ourselves to the limit. We prioritize deadlines and to-do lists, but neglecting our well-being has consequences. We experience burnout, stress, and health issues. Self-care is an investment in our health, happiness, and overall well-being. Self-investment is not about spending money. It's not about buying things. It's about nurturing ourselves. We invest in our minds, bodies, and spirits. It's about growth and fulfillment. Reading expands our knowledge. Exercise strengthens our bodies. Meditation calms our minds. These are investments in ourselves. We make conscious choices. We prioritize self-care. This might mean setting boundaries, saying no to commitments. It means making time for ourselves, even when it feels impossible. Self-care doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent efforts make a difference. Start with a few minutes each day. Take a walk in nature. Listen to your favorite music. Read a chapter of a book. These moments nourish our souls. We feel more energized, more focused, more resilient. As we experience the benefits, we're inspired to do more. We gradually incorporate healthier habits. We prioritize sleep. We eat nourishing foods. We connect with loved ones. These small changes have a ripple effect. They positively impact all areas of our lives. When we invest in ourselves, we become better versions of ourselves. We show up with more energy. We have more to give to others. Our relationships improve. Our communities benefit. Self-care is not a solo endeavor. It's about creating a positive impact. When we prioritize our well-being, we inspire others to do the same. Imagine a world where everyone prioritizes self-care. We would have more compassion, more understanding, more support for one another. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by prioritizing self-care. They unlock their potential. They experience greater joy and fulfillment. Consider the story of Sarah. She was overwhelmed by work and family. She felt constantly exhausted and stressed. Sarah decided to make a change. She started practicing yoga and meditation. She made time for walks in nature. Gradually, Sarah's perspective shifted. She felt calmer, more centered, and more energized. Her relationships improved. She was more present and engaged. Sarah's story is not unique. It highlights the transformative power of self-investment. Investing in yourself is a journey. It's a lifelong commitment to your well-being. It's about making choices that support your growth. It's about honoring your needs. Start small, be consistent, celebrate your progress. Embrace the transformative power of self-investment. You deserve to live a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Invest in yourself. The world needs the best version of you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.